This screencast is to help you understand how to get a QR code and or a shortened URL on a Google form, and then look at how we can easily transfer that Google form access to your mobile device, your iPad or your phone. So the first thing that we want to do, we've made the Google form already through past work, and we're going to install a extension into our Chrome web browser. So we want to go to the Chrome Web Store, and to get there you can just go to a Google search box and type Chrome Web Store. When you get there, in the search box I'd like you to type Goo.gl, as you can see in the upper left here. And we're looking for an extension, so we want to look under the extensions for the Goo.gl URL shortener. And its icon is a clamp with a green square in the middle. So we want to go ahead and click that blue Add to Chrome button, add the extension, and now that extension will always be in our web browser into the future. So it's installed, it will always be there. So now we'll go back, and this is the live form that we want to use from our phone as we're walking around the classroom. So we'll go ahead and click that Google Shortener extension, and it does a couple of things. One thing is that it gives us a shortened address, and we could just open the web browser on our phone and type that address in. But it also gives us a QR code, and if I click that QR code, I can scan that code with my phone to make it easy to get this form to my phone. So I'm going to pause and switch over to my phone. So now I'm over on my iPhone, and I'm going to open up my favorite QR code reader, which is called Enigma. I like this one because it seems to pick up the codes more easily, and it gives us options that others don't have. And then I'm going to go over and scan the code, and you can see that it pops up a shortened address, and it will connect to that live form that we've made. So now all I need to do, I'm going to scoot my screen up a bit so that you can see my whole phone here, maybe. We'll save this as a bookmark on our website. So if you look at the bottom of your phone, we have the share icon. And when I tap that share icon, it brings up this screen. And one of my choices on that screen is Add to Home Screen. So I'm going to go ahead and try to click that behind my toolbar here. And when I click Add to Home Screen, that creates an icon. I've got to use my finger. There we go. That creates an icon just like an app, and it pulls the name off the document. So I can change that. I could change that name if I wanted to by just tapping the X on my phone, and it will save it as an icon. So for now, I'll go ahead and just tap Add on my phone, and we can see that it's added there. So once it's on my phone, I can tap and hold. I can drag it on top of another icon to create a folder of forms. So I could change the name of this and say forms. I can change it whatever I want to, just like you can manage apps. So that's how we make a QR code, and then how we get it over to our phone to be able to use it easily in the classroom.